نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to learn Quran ayah by ayah, word by word. Lesson number 13. We are on the fifth ayah of Surah Baqarah. أولئك على هدى من ربهم. Those are upon guidance from their Lord. أولئك على هدى من ربهم. Those are upon guidance from their Lord. أولئك, those. أولئك, those. Sometimes you'll see those who. على, upon or on. على, upon or on. Hudan, guidance. Hudan, guidance. Min, from. Min, from. Rabbihim, their Lord. Rabbihim, their Lord. We have learned in the previous videos the past tense hada, he guided. Yahdi is the present and future tense. He guides or he will guide. Hada yahdi. Hada yahdi. Rabbihim, it is made from two words. Rabb, him. Rabbihim, made from two words. Rabb, him. It is mudaf mudaf ilayh, the possessed and the possessor. We have not covered this in the YouTube videos. We have covered this in the full course. So if you have not taken the full course, please take the full course. There are more rules and more videos, inshallah. So Rabbihim is mudaf mudaf ilayh. Rabbihim, they are two words. And Rabbihim, the Rabb has kasra or zair, and the him has kasra and zair. It is because the min is al-huruf al-jar, preposition. Min is preposition, gives kasra to the following words. So Rabbihim, they both have kasra because of the min. Mir Rabbihim. Him is zamir. I think we have not covered in the YouTube videos. Also, we have covered this in the full course. So please take the full course. You will understand much more, inshallah ta'ala. So the asal is hum. Hum, the asal is hum. And because of the min, the hum becomes him. It is hum. Because of the min, it becomes him. Mir Rabbihim. Mir Rabbihim. If there is no min, the huruf al-jar preposition, it will be Rabbuhum. 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 And because of the min, it is Mir Rabbihim. Mir Rabbihim. So let's see a Tajweed rule in this ayah. أولئك على هدى من ربهم. أولئك, there is the mad called mad muttasil. You stretch it 4 to 6 haraka. أولئك. So the mad is why there is mad. Why? Try to understand the rule, inshallah, why mad muttasil comes. It is because of the hamza. Whenever there's hamza in a word, you will see before it there will be a mad. It's called mad muttasil or long mad. One is small mad, this is long mad, 4 to 6 haraka. And there's many places you will see in the Quran. For example, sawa'un. Sawa'un, you see the mad. Why this mad is coming is because of the hamza. If there's a hamza and maqabal before it, you will see the mad. And also, if you look as-sufaha, you will see the hamza, and before it, you will see the mad. So whenever there is hamza before it, there will be a mad. So this is mad muttasil 4 to 6 haraka. Another adaa'at. So you will see the hamza and ma qabl before it, you will see the mad. Another word, as-samaa'i. So you see the hamza and ma qabl, you will see the mad. So whenever there's hamza in the word or part of the word, you will see mad muttasil, the long mad before the hamza. أولئك على هدى من ربهم. Those are upon guidance from their Lord. أولئك على هدى من ربهم. Those are upon guidance from their Lord. And this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.